The most important disease condition lecture video, that is spinal cord tumor. So let us introduce spinal cord tumor. So in this picture you can see this is a spinal cord. So spinal cord tumor means it is a non-cancerous, benign or cancerous malignant growth in or around the spinal cord. A spinal cord tumor, also called an interdural tumor. People may have weak muscles, lose sensation in particular areas of the body, or become unable to control bowel and bladder functions. So basically spinal cord tumor एक नॉन कैंसर, benign means not spread to any other parts, और cancerous means malignant. Malignant means abnormal cells divide uncontrollable and metastasize to other parts of the body. So it means a spinal cord tumor is a non-cancerous or maybe cancerous growth in or around the spinal cord. A spinal cord tumor also called an interdural tumor. स्पाइनल कोड ट्यूमर को हम इंटरड्यूरल ट्यूमर भी बोलते हैं. इन दैट पीपल में हैव weak muscles, lose sensation in particular areas of the body, or become unable to control bowel and bladder functions. So next proceed for the definition. So a spinal tumor is an abnormal mass of tissues within or surrounding the spinal cord and or spinal column. These cells grow and multiply uncontrollable. Spinal tumors can be benign or malignant. It means a spinal tumor is an abnormal. It means abnormal growth or abnormal mass of the tissues within or surrounding the spinal cord. It means within or surrounding the spinal cord जो abnormal mass या abnormal growth of the cells रहता है उसी को spinal tumor बोलते हैं around the spinal cord. So these cells grow and multiply uncontrollable. ये cells जो abnormal cells होते हैं वो grow हो जाते हैं, multiply हो जाते हैं uncontrollable बहुत सारे. Spinal tumors can be benign or malignant. So now next move for the spinal cord tumors causes. First one is compression of cord, degenerative changes in bones and joints, interrupted blood supply. So these are the basics causes of spinal cord tumors, like compression of cord हो जाना की वजह से, interrupted blood supply की वजह से spinal cord tumor arise हो सकता है. Next move for the sign and symptoms. So these are the symptoms of spinal tumor: pain spreading to arms and legs, trouble with urination or bowel movements, back pain, weakness in legs, trouble walking. So these are the common sign and symptoms of spinal tumors. So if a person is having these symptoms, so never ignore, go for the next diagnostic test. So diagnostic evaluation, in that we can do history collection, physical examination, x-ray, CT scan or spinal MRI, bone scan, tissue biopsy or myelography. Basically myelography used to rule out any tumors. Basically myelography किसने करते हैं? To rule out the tumor. Next, so these are the basic diagnostic tests. Tissue biopsy means we can take samples of the tissues and send to the lab. Management. So in medical management, these are the two drugs: radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Radiation therapy we can do, and chemotherapy drugs क्या होते हैं? Chemotherapy means like for example cisplatin, doxorubicin, 5-fluorouracil. These are the examples of chemotherapy. Radiation therapy means it is a type of cancer treatment that uses beams of intense energy to kill cancer cells. But in chemotherapy, it is a drug treatment that uses powerful chemicals to kill fast growing cells in your body. So these are the two types of management. Next, surgical management. In surgical management, we can go for the laminectomy. Laminectomy means to remove or to decrease the size of the spinal cord tumor, spinal fusion, or the insertion of rods if several vertebrae involved and the column is unstable. So we can do, these are the basic surgery, these are the surgeries. Next, move for the nursing diagnosis. Nursing diagnosis for anxiety related to diagnosis of spinal tumor, surgery and outcome. Patient may feel pain related to nerve compression, risk for peripheral neuromuscular dysfunctions related to nerve compression, risk for injury related to surgery, and last one is impaired urinary elimination related to spinal cord compression. So basically स्पाइनल कोड ट्यूमर क्या होता है? स्पाइनल कोड ट्यूमर मीन्स इट इज एन abnormal growth of the cells in or around the spinal cord or spinal column. Basically, what is the functions of spinal cord? Spinal cord relay message from the brain to different parts of the body, or other function is protect the spinal cord. Other functions of spinal is protect the spinal cord, nerve roots and several of the body's internal organ, provide structural support and balance to maintain. Okay, so this is a spinal cord tumor. I hope you all understand.